wanted to let you guys know we just dropped our No Hope BRZ hoodie. So if you guys want to support the channel, support the build, we are dropping these for a limited time only. Has a design on the front and obviously the print on the back. So enjoy today's video of us pulling the engine and the trans out. Pulling the motor out of the BRZ today. As you guys can see, motor and trans are still in. We need to pull these out so that we can cut the firewall off. We're also hoping that the transmission is somewhat okay. We got help here from Jonathan, Keegan, Ethan in the driver's seat. Should be pretty straightforward. We got our engine hoist, we got quick jacks, and we got stupidity and gloves. So let's do it. Yeah.
Oh, watch it.
Why is the wheel not moving? Oh, I forgot about that strut. You gotta take shit now off. Wow. Should we keep that shit off for the car?
Oh my god.
Dinner.
That's nasty.
My only fear down here is freaking spiders.
And there definitely is spiders down here.
I hope an arachnid lands on your forehead.
Brandon, if you need me to go down there for you, I will.
Like one's in. Else it's gonna tip. It'll hold it. I mean, I've pulled an FRS motor and trans already with this exact. Yeah, we're chilling on that.
Yeah, I get to see my other boy on New Year's because he just finished.
Oh,
We got some water. Put that bitch back in.
what?
Oh my god.
No, she's.
Oh my god. Brandon, go get another way more.
That's straight water.
Dude, it's from when they put out the fire.
Chat, this is coming out of the oil pan.
And here it goes all over the floor.
Guys, I think my motor might be blown. Oh my god. You're kidding me. Oh. Where am I at?
Ah, it reeks.
That smells so bad.
There is no, we didn't.
Yeah, you definitely did.
No,
Well, you're probably
the car's getting jacked up, so look at it. Okay. I want me to look at the same time. Look at 0 subscribers for what? Yup. Yeah, he's using his brain. That's crazy. Come on, do it for your 20 subscribers. Come on.
it's detached in the mid pipe. You're good. Alright, come on. Give it a little push it back. Push it back.
Pull it back.
Oh my freaking god.
Oh my god.
You see the spider egg thing?
Make the gayest face possible. Alright. I have one in my car. Yeah, this is so bad.
Gang, what the f?
How much horses you got in that, John?
The chains are on my finger.
Holy shit.
You good? It wasn't like super painful. Oh, okay.
BRZ engine, trans, and drive shaft is out. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good here. Nice and clear. Alright, so if you look in here, it's all burnt and rusted. Oh, you're good. It's all burnt and rusted. The inside of the transmission is done, so we're not even gonna try and take it off and save it. It's burnt. Transmission tunnel is the only area we really wanted to save, and it's still good. We're gonna be cutting off this whole firewall, building our own front end tube, and putting it in. A lot of progress from when we first got the car. A lot of No Hope short form social media has been doing great with this car. Now that the interior is cleared, the roof is cleared, and we have all the STI rims on it. From here is to cut off the front end and build our own firewall. After that, we can start looking into tubing, choosing our suspension, and then painting or Cerakoting or powder coating the whole chassis and whatnot. So, a lot to go from here. That's all we have for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.
Oh no! Here, put this on.